Welcome back, folks. This is Ed Tapper again from Mr. C's Auto Mart. And this is another one of our great deals. Newly arrived 2011 Tundra TRD Sport 4-wheel drive. So we'll just look at the engine quick here. It's the V8 engine, and it's 4-wheel drive. It's got this custom EAG grille that has LED lights that are functional, chrome front and rear bumpers. Now we get into the exciting stuff. It's got MOTO wheels with good EF GOODRICH off-road tires and a 5-inch lift kit. So that's a tremendous value, but this truck already has it. It just enhances the appeal to an extreme degree. It's got trailer tow mirrors, tinted glass. Again, in the rear we have the gray lower bumper and a trailer tow hitch, and a nice bed liner, DURALINER lay-in bed liner. Again, it's 4-wheel drive. Beautiful condition, fully serviced, needs no maintenance. Everything's been done here that's needed, just the regular maintenance. And we have it advertised for $18,977, just the lift kit. Wheels, I could consider those $6,775, but they really add to the value of the truck. And as we go into the inside, the rear seat moves forward and back and folds down, and it has a center armrest, and it does have rear air and heat vents, power windows, doors, locks, keyless entry. One second. I had to get up here. It's a little bit of a hike, 185,000 miles. Bluetooth. Here's your 4-wheel drive system. Here. Automatic climate control, USB port, aux, AM, FM, CD. Again, you have a bench seat in the front, so the center armrest does fold down to give you a console. It's just a very, very, very nice truck. We'd invite you to come by. This is Ed again from Mr. C's, another one of our high-quality cars, and you can visit our website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me directly at 708-473-2014. Thanks.